Hey, that's my money.
I'm you assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made a rebel. So that anything you say is speaking, shaking off.
Disrespect your surroundings. I'm a bird, mother. I'm a bird. Look at me, mother. I'm a bird. I'm a bird.
Blessed be the Lord, my strength, that teaches my hands to war, and my fingers to fight. My goodness, my fortress, my high tower, and my deliverer. My shield, and he in whom I trust.
Excuse me. I need this. This too. Need more blue. I'll write or fuck note. Later, fool.
The fuck?
This is gonna be good. Hey, Becky.
What is it, Ron?
Get your ass down here.
No, Ron.
Get down here, ho.
Oh, fine. What is it?
Check out all my blue. Now let me smash.
I told you I don't want to smash.
You want some fuck? Strut.
You don't even have a roof.
What? I got your wheels.
We can fly.
She doesn't want wheels. I'll pay you. Please.
No, Ron.
Peck. G'day. Cut.
What?
Becky, let me smash.